Hi, I'm Dave Wagner with Connolly Saddlery here in Billings, Montana. And in our rodeo department, part of the store, I get a lot of questions on bow ropes. How do I know if they fit my hand? What size should I get? The different plats of what they're made. So basically we're going to go through this and just kind of give you a brief description of what you're looking for in a bow rope. When I'm grabbing a bow rope here, and you notice the block in it, and the block is what holds the handhold from moving while you're riding and stuff like that. And so that's an important part of the construction of the bow rope, and also the width, because the bow ropes are made of plats, and the plats are basically like a 5 plat, 7 plat, 9 plat, and as you go lower in numbers, the bow rope gets wider. So a 9 plat is narrow and a 5 is wide. Now also you got to look at the handhold, because it may be a 9 handhold and a 5 tail, something like that. And so those are all things to consider. And basically your description of trying to figure out how you're sizing it for you, it's basically the size of your hand. Like if you're riding, say, a size 8 glove, something like that, you're going to need like a 9 or a 9/7 bow rope. And so basically what we're going to do is also look at the rise. And the rise basically is here of looking at, this is like 3.5 fingers, and depends on how tight you take your rope. If you take your rope really tight, you want more rise here. If you take a loose rope, you want lower rise, because as you pull it, it's going to tighten down on your hand. If you have a low rise and take a tight rope, it's just going to squeeze your hand more. So those are things you need to consider in this. And basically what's that going to do is basically how your rope feels in your hand once you nod your head and go out into the arena and perform. So those are the basic construction things you're looking and deciding on what bow rope I should get. Okay, in my years of riding, basically I had a small hand. I wore a size 8 glove, and so basically I took a smaller rope, and I also took a small rise. This is a 3-finger rise, and so basically I didn't take a very tight rope, so I needed a shorter rise rather than a 4 or a 3.5 finger. So basically what I did is put the rope in and put it across my hand here, then took my wrap and brought it in, and just trying it in the store, trying to basically see how that feels in my hand, and that I can close my hand and still keep a grip during my ride.